You told me once that you'll make my dreams come true, and you actually did that. For the first time in my life, I have never felt so safe and loved. All of the beautiful moments, all of the moments that have led till this day, all the milestones that we have reached together through the painful and ugly moments.
By your side, be the safest place for you to hide.
Katie, my love for you is forever. I vow to give you all of the love in my heart. I strive to love you through acts of service. I vow to trust you, to always be Team Katie, and when one of us loses, we both lose. I promise to show you every day that I know exactly how lucky I am to have you. I promise to keep our lives exciting, adventurous, and full of passion. I'll always be by your side. This life is better together. I can't wait to experience what the world has in store for us. I am yours forever and always.
Swim across the ocean wide. I climb the tallest mountain.
Kashiv Ali Khan, I love your humble confidence. I love that you push me to be the best version of myself and get me out of my comfort zone. I vow to always help you find your missing wallet, car keys, and phone. I vow to be your passenger princess while you act like a NASCAR driver in your Julia. We have built our long-term home, and I can't wait to fill it up with more memories and a lot of kids. I will stand by you, I will love you and cherish you, growing old with you. With that being said, as your wife, I will never keep score, even though I'm always totally winning because everything is a competition. I love you. I didn't know you were gonna wear this one.
We deserve this moment. I love you.
Love you.
I appreciate you.
Always be by your side. Down every road I find, I'd walk with you in darkest night.
Kosh and Katie, it is my honor and delight to present you as husband and wife to your family and friends. Please kiss the bride.
Holding on to what I know.
Katie and Kosh, you're an inspiration. Your love, your journey, and your commitment to each other is something to be admired. I love you both, and I'm so grateful to be a part of your guys' lives. And you've created a beautiful family together. And you can tell how much love there is between the two of you by how happy your son is.
There's no way for me.
Kosh, always treat Katie like the queen that she is. And Katie, always remember that Kosh loves you and couldn't do without you. I wish you guys all the best. You're both near and dear to me. And I'm sure your life together will be a fantastic new chapter. And I'm happy to call you guys my family.
You got me feeling like I must be dreaming. You got me feeling like I'm on the ceiling.
Sé que ahora ya no tendré solo una hermana pequeña, ahora Kosh forma parte, mi tercer hermano y un hijo para mi padre. Para terminar, a los recién casados, quiero felicitarlos, los amo a ambos y les deseo que su matrimonio sea lleno de amor y felicidad.
Together, you two are an incredible team, balancing each other perfectly. Your kindness, strength, and patience are evident, and it's clear that Kosh is a better person with you by his side. May your marriage be filled with endless joy, unwavering love, and a lifetime of shared adventures.
Thank you everyone for coming tonight. So appreciative, so grateful. You all made the journey. It means the world to us. We're just so happy to have you all here.
Let's get the party started, guys.